Yes, good morning students. Welcome to the today's maths class. In the previous class we have calculated mean for the given grouped data. So by using two different methods, that is one is direct method and another one is assumed method. So most of the students solved all the problems from exercise 4.1. Some students are not doing anything, especially girls are not doing anything. Why I can't understand. I told so many times. So but you are not responding means we can't do anything. So now the second one is mode. Mode means the most frequently occurred observation is called mode. For example, in any ungrouped data, if any number is repeating so many times means, then that will be considered as mode. For example, see that 2, 5, 7, 8, 3, 5, 0, 1, 5, 7. So see here 5 is repeating how many times? 1, 2, 3 times repeating. So 5 can be considering as the mode of this data. Again see here 7 also repeating 2 times, but it is repeating only 2 times, but 5 is repeating 3 times. That's why we are taking 5 as the mode. Okay, so this is the way of finding the mode for the ungrouped data. Now let us see how to find the mode for the grouped data. It has one formula, so let it be, see that mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay, so see that here in this, what is L, what is F1, F0, F2 and what is H? Let us see. L is called lower boundary of model class, and F1 is the maximum frequency of model class. F0 is the preceding frequency of model class. Then F2 is the succeeding frequency of the model class, and H will be the length of the class interval. Okay, so see that here formula is very important. Okay, according to the formula we will solve the problems in exercise 4.2. see in this is very easy than mean. See here nothing is there, only class intervals and frequencies are there. By taking these two we can find the values, we can find the mode. So in mode, L is the lower boundary of model class. What is meant by model class here? Model class means the class which has the more frequency. See, the class which has the more frequency, that is called model class. What is the highest frequency amongst these frequencies? 23. Then this class will be the model class. In that, this is the lower boundary, this is the higher boundary, so that it is called L. Okay. Next, F1, the maximum frequency. This maximum frequency becomes F1, and F2 is preceding above to the maximum frequency, that is F0, and below it is F2. Okay. F1, F0, F2. Okay, like this we are taking the values. Okay, so first you have to write this formula. After that start exercise 4.2 and write this one. Now let us start the question. Yes, for this particular question, exercise 4.2, for this particular question, we have to find the mean, mode and mean. Both we have to find for this data. Okay, so see that here, write the formula once. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So nothing in mean we have to take here again some columns for class mark or D for DA for FI DA like that. But here no need to take any other. Just you have to substitute the values in the formula. You will get the mode. So see here what is the L here? L means the lower boundary of the model class. Model class, how you will get the highest frequency? The amongst these class which has highest frequency means this 135 to 45 having highest frequency, that is 23. That's why we are taking 35 to 45 as the model class. In this is the lower boundary. That is called L. So L is equal to 35. And what is the F1 here? The highest frequency is F1 and F2 is above that. Okay, before the highest frequency, that is called F1 and F2 is below that. After the highest frequency is called F2. And what is the H here? H means the length of the class interval. See the difference of each and every class, it is 10. How you will get 15 minus 5? 25 minus 15, 35 minus 50, 25. That is called length of the class interval 10. So then mode is equal to, mode equals to L35 plus F1 is 23, F0 is 21. Okay, and this is 2 into F1 is 23 minus F0 is 21, F2 is 14 into H. So this is 35 plus 2 by this is 46 minus 35 into 10. So this is 35 plus 2 by it is 11. It is 11. 46 minus into 10 means it is 20. So this is 35 plus 20 divided by 11. 11 1 ja 11, 9.0. Okay, 9.0 1 ja. So 8 ja, 88 2 12. Sorry, 2 point is there 0 1 ja. So 11. It is enough. So 1.81. So this is 36.81. So this is the mode for this given data. Okay, I hope that you understand. Very simple. Just from the given data you have to find out the model class. Then in that model class, this is the lower boundary, highest frequency F1. Above that it is F0, below, exactly below that is F2. Just you have to substitute these values in this formula. Simply you will get the mode. So for the same data we need to find the mean also. In the textbooks, textbook exercise 14.2 problems. For some problems they are given find both mean and mode. For some problems only mode is enough. Okay. So you have to find. You have to do the remaining problems. Total I think 6 problems are there. This one more problem only I have to tell. You have to solve the remaining all the problems and send in the WhatsApp group. So see that here for this we have to find the mean. To find the mean, class mark needed. Class mark is xi. Okay. So what is the class mark? How to find? 5 plus 15 how much? 20. 20 by 2 it is 10. And this is, see the difference. What is the class interval here? 10. You have to add 10 to, you will to get the next class mark. 10 plus 10, 20. This is 30. This is 40. This is 50. This is 60. Now FIXI, direct method. We will do in direct method. Okay? Direct method. What is the direct method? 6 10 is 60. 11 to 20. Okay, this is 0, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. This is 0, 4 3 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8, 9. This is 0, 5 4 ja 20, 5 1 ja 5, 70. So this is 300. Total, we need this total, no? Summation Fi xi is equal to 2830. 2830. We need already summation Fi. We added, that is 80. So mean is equal to x bar is equal to indirect method, summation Fi xi by summation Fi. Summation Fi xi, it is 2830 by 80. 0 0 cancel. This is equal to 35.37 after division. 283 by 8. 8 3 is 24, 40, 3 8 5 is 40, 3.0, 8 3 is 24, that is 6 and 0 7 up to 2 digits it is enough. So this is the mean for this data. Okay, already you have done so many problems in exercise 14.1. Now in this exercise total 6 questions are there. Already one question I explained. The remaining questions you have to solve carefully. Okay, thank you students, and send in WhatsApp group both in both sessions. Okay, we will guide you. According to that, you have to solve the problems. First watch the video carefully. Okay, thank you students. Have a nice day.